Four competitors think they have what it takes to be the chopped champion.
It's a great feeling to be up here with such strong women. But I just love to, like, be on top, and I, find myself there a lot.
Judges, this is actually the first time we've had four women chefs competing against each other.
I love it.
I love it, too. Women are still dramatically underrepresented in professional restaurant kitchens. There are probably one woman for every 10 men.
I'm absolutely nervous. My kabocha, it's still not completely cooked.
That's not cooked. That's not cooked, Molly.
No. There are 3 rounds: appetizer, entree, dessert. Each course comes with its own basket of mystery ingredients. You must use every ingredient in the basket in some way. If your dish doesn't cut it, you will be chopped. Chefs, please open your baskets. And the mystery ingredients are banana chips, rice paper, kabocha squash, and sardines. 20 minutes on the clock, and time starts now.
It's hard not to be intimidated because these girls have so much more experience than me. But I'm like a quiet roar. I want to puree my squash with some spices to make a Vietnamese-style summer roll. I'm trying to show that cooking's what I'm supposed to do. And this competition is really about putting myself up to an even bigger challenge and succeeding.
We're gonna be acknowledged as a real foodie town. First thing that I do is I get the kabocha squash going. I throw it in a pan with oil and cumin, and I'm just gonna rock it out.
So start cutting the squash, I gotta boil it down. I know I can make it sweet to do a compote. Imagine this over a salad. It's perfect.
Growing up in Vermont, I would always eat pumpkin seeds raw. I was thinking, take some raw seeds from the squash, put those in banana chips, celery leaves, red pepper for a little salad. So I'm trying to fold the summer rolls, and they're just falling apart, and time is going very quickly.
These summer rolls, I'm really just trying to get those tight, and then I'm making a balsamic reduction, which I think will really tie it together.
I look down and I see Jasmine doing summer rolls, and I was like, her experience is definitely limited.
And 10, 9.
Time's ticking down, and the summer rolls, they look like crap, and I'm totally disappointed with myself.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step away. Chef Joanne.
So I have presented a blend of sardines, olives, of a crouton, served with a coulis of squash and maple syrup.
Chef Jessica.
Chefs, this is my take on a summer roll, using more Mediterranean flavors.
Then we have Chef Jasmine.
Chefs, you have in front of you a fresh roll using kabocha squash, sardine, and a little banana crumble on top.
Finally, we have Chef Rebecca.
I've prepared for you a Caesar salad with roasted kabuchi squash, Asiago summer roll, and banana chip crouton.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jessica, you've been chopped. Judges?
Jessica, while your dish was light and rather appealing, the flavors were lacking. It wasn't really a finished dish. I was the only person that actually got an appetizer portion. And for those reasons, we have to let you go today.
Thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. Bye, girls.
Chef Joanne, Chef Jasmine, Chef Rebecca, please open your baskets. And the mandatory ingredients are beef shoulder, baby artichokes, blood oranges, and cashew butter. You will have 30 minutes this time, and the clock starts now.
I'm going for the artichokes first because I want to steep them with a little bit of lemon, herbs, and olive oil so that they have good flavor.
I have in mind the warm salad with caramelized onions and baby artichokes.
I attack the baby artichokes right away because I know how to approach them. I put them in acidulated water bath with some lemon because if you don't, they turn brown.
So I'm going over, okay, artichokes, done. Oranges, done. Cashew nuts, done. Meat, done. Okay. So I'm like, okay, break it down, plate it.
1 minute, chefs. Time now, chefs, only for final touches. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Chef Jasmine.
Chefs, what I've prepared for you is a Middle Eastern spiced beef shoulder with crispy artichokes, a fresh salad of arugula, and blood orange segments.
Next, Chef Rebecca.
I've prepared for you a pan-fried steak with potato hash, roasted artichokes with a peppercorn cashew butter.
Next, Chef Joanne.
You have beef tagliata with caramelized artichokes and onions, served with fresh blood orange and cashew chutney.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block? Chef Jasmine, you have been chopped. Judges?
Jasmine, you did a great job here, but end of the day, your dish was too uneven. Uneven the way the meat was chopped, the way it was seasoned, but you should be very proud of yourself. You're cooking with some great ladies here, and you're going to do very well.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate the opportunity to cook for you at all, and your comments meant a lot to me. So, thank you. It was great meeting both of you.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Good luck.
It's Chef Rebecca versus Chef Joanne.
Dessert is all about quantities, exactitude. I'm a troublemaker. I don't like rules.
Heading into the dessert round, I still feel like I can bring it home. $10,000 is 30 minutes away.
Chefs, please open your baskets. Your desserts must include celery root, cinnamon candies, blackberries, and marshmallow spread. You will have 30 minutes to finish your desserts. Time starts now.
I am slicing it up and caramelizing it with butter, cinnamon, and sugar. And then I'm thinking apples. Apple and celery root go together really well.
I need something that's gonna smooth the celery roots out. So I wrap ricotta to have that mousse consistency. I believe that dessert has to be that perfect last bite, absolutely perfect. My marshmallow mix was gonna be served in the shot glass, and then I saw those Asian spoons. I'm thinking, okay. So I decided to put the marshmallow mix in the middle, my blackberry on top. I think I have a good shot at winning.
Just seconds remain on the clock, chefs. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Please step back. Chef Rebecca, what's for dessert?
I made a warm bread pudding with a celery root, apple caramel, blackberries, and mascarpone marshmallow topping.
Next, Chef Joanne.
I'm presenting you celery root with cinnamon candy and a puree of black raspberries as well.
So, whose dish is on the chopping block?
Okay.
Chef Joanne, you have been chopped.
Thanks.
Judges.
Chef Joanne, the fact that you survived the first round after leaving one of the ingredients off your dish entirely is a testament to your sheer ability as a cook. But in your entree course, your steak was unevenly cooked. And for the dessert, it was incredibly creative. But it really didn't come together cohesively as a dessert.
Thank you so much for your critiques. Thank you, chefs, very much.
And that means, Chef Rebecca, that you are the chopped champion and that you're going home with $10,000.
Yay! That's the awesome part. I love that.